Here's a Hawaiian-inspired restaurant that's very family-friendly. The place is so nice and they serve really good food. Bago lang din sila nag-open, this is Aloha Kako. Hello again guys! Uba na miss ako ang family as we check out Aloha Kako. Pasensya na daan if mali akong pronunciation ha. Thanks to my beautiful cousin Athena and also sa ako ang idol na si Papi Brad, nakabalo ko na di ay restaurant na ing-ani diri sa may Ecoland. So from our house guys, gibiyahe gyud namo diri guys and atbang lang siya sa SM City Davao. Ako ang ipakita sa inyo guys ha, sumo na ang SM City Davao. Asa ko nagatindog is Casa Bella Tuna Building. And naalang yun sa sulod guys, si Aloha Kako. So ayan, makita ninyo diri exactly kung asa siya dapit. And baba siya sa Nuwat Thai. Here's another perspective guys, sumo na ang SM City Davao. So atbang lang yun siya. Mauni ang compound ko asa siya nagabelong at it shares the same building as Surf and Turf. Tara guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the place. Pangalan pa lang guys, makabalo na ka na Hawaiian-inspired kaayo siya. The interiors are very, very nice. Pleasing kayo siya sa
Wala
eye.
pa
Kaadtog Hawaii guys, no? Pero ma-feel yun ako ang Hawaiian vibe there. By the way, this is a cafe and restaurant at the same time. So this is their menu guys. Feel free to pause it na lang. And mauni among gipang order starting with the cookies and cream frap for 185 pesos. We ordered this one for my son, pero syempre mutilaw sa ang mama, diba? And when I tried it guys, in fairness, it was good. Kapila na ko nakatry og cookies and cream na frap, good guys na lasaw, pero kani siya dili gyud siya lasaw. And when my son tried it, tan-awa ang yahang verdict guys, naapod siya own Disc of Davao Happy Dance niya. O diba anak jud kang Disc of Davao dong. Next na pud na mong gi-order is the sticky turon with sesame seeds. As a turon lover guys, I really had high expectations. And when I tried it guys, I was not disappointed at all. Mura gipa-social lang gyud siya na turon guys, pero it was really good. Naka Disc of Davao Happy Dance good ko. Up next is the tablea bread pudding with chocolate sauce. And naapod siya ice cream on top. We ordered this one kay perfect di siya para sa mga bata na hilig og sweets ug samot sa ice cream. I'm honestly not a fan of pudding yun guys, kana mapalit gud sa bakery. Pero kani siya itsura pa lang masulti gyud mo na lami kaayo siya. Even ang akong bana nag-try pud siya and he was not disappointed as well. Anyway, ang next na pud na mong gi-try is ang ilahang version of sikwate. Di ba guys, ang sikwate medyo pait-pait man gyud siya to begin with. Pero in fairness kani siya sweet na siya daan. As somebody na naay sweet tooth, ganahan kaayo ko ani. If makulangan gyapon mo sa sweetness niya, pwede ra mo mag-request og sugar. Next is their cream cheese truffles na tag 55 pesos each. Naasa 2 flavors, ang red velvet and chocolate. Guys, my son really loved the red velvet. As in siya gyud halos nakahurot ana. As for me, mas bet na ko ang chocolate na truffle. Another Disc of Davao Happy Dance na pud guys. Ako guys, ganahan magud kayo ko og cream cheese gyud. Kay kana lagi sweet tooth lagi ta. And for 55 pesos each na mo palit jud ko anig daghan oy. This cafe and restaurant gets a thumbs up from my husband, a thumbs up from my son, and 2 thumbs up from me. Definitely a must visit. So kato lang. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!